Hey, Kez here from Spirit and Bear. Okay, so today I'm on here to show you these corner clamps. These are made by Wolfcraft and we have been given the opportunity to review these. Now, we've been using these for a couple of weeks now on various smaller projects and bigger projects, and I've found that they have been quite useful. The spring is really strong, okay. In some respects, when you're using bigger pieces of wood, you really do need two hands to sort of clamp down. It has got a really good space to fit your wood in there. When you pull them down, you have the triangle piece that goes from side to side. What?
They do come in 4 packs.
They do come in 4 packs. Okay, so he's just told me they actually come in 4 packs as well. Now, what I had done is when I ordered these, I'd ordered just the 2-pack, and Philo's just informed me that they come in 4-pack. That's a dull moment for me, okay? So, when you are placing these on your piece of work, you push them in. When you push them down, obviously making sure everything lines up nicely because it moves. There you go. You can glue, you can screw, you can do whatever you wish to be doing. Corner clamps from Wolfcraft. Get yourself some.